Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make keto pudding. First, gather your essential ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of heavy cream, a 1/4 cup of your preferred keto-friendly sweetener, and 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder if you desire a rich chocolate flavor. Don't forget 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract to enhance all those delicious tastes. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's get cooking. Combine your heavy cream, sweetener, cocoa powder, and vanilla extract in a saucepan. Whisk these ingredients together thoroughly over medium heat. Continue stirring constantly as you bring the mixture to a gentle simmer. Once it's simmering, gradually whisk in about 1/4 teaspoon of xanthan gum. This will help achieve that perfect, creamy pudding consistency without adding carbs. After cooking, carefully pour your warm keto pudding into individual serving dishes or a larger bowl. To prevent a skin from forming, press a piece of plastic wrap directly onto the surface of the pudding in each dish. This ensures a smooth, delightful texture. Now, place your pudding in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours. Chilling allows it to set properly, becoming wonderfully firm and ready to enjoy. Once your keto pudding is perfectly chilled and set, it's time for the fun part. Toppings. You can add fresh berries like raspberries or blueberries, or a dollop of homemade sugar-free whipped cream. For an extra treat, sprinkle some sugar-free chocolate shavings on top. This makes a fantastic dessert or a satisfying snack. Remember to check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious, guilt-free keto pudding.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.